Hello, everybody, and welcome to week 5 of online learning. Can you believe we're on week 5 already? That means we're about halfway done with e-learning for the year. All right, so here we go. So for this week, it's going to look a little bit different. This week, you're actually going to have to download your math assignments onto Notability, and then you're going to have to show your work on there and put your answers on there that way. All right, so first off, it's going to be a little different. So you have your week 5 day 1 assignment here. You're going to download it onto your iPad, you're going to complete it, and then you're going to find where it says week 5 day 1 upload. That's where you're going to upload it onto Schoology. Then you're going to do week 5 day 2. Then you're going to find, you guessed it, week 5 day 2 upload right here. And then, of course, week 5 day 3, week 5 day 3 upload. All right, we have 3 assignments this week. We only had 2 last week. It's an every other day class, so you get every other day assignments. So this week is a 3 assignment week. All right, if you have any questions, give me a call, shoot me an email. You can send me a Schoology message. We can set up a Google Hangout, and we can do a FaceTime. Lots of different ways to get a hold of me. Office hours 1 to 3. Let me know if you need any help. Thank you. Have a great week.